Music. Want better credit? Let's talk Boost Your Score. This credit improvement service helps you quickly and efficiently enhance your credit profile. Links are below if you're ready to learn more or sign up. I'll cover its best features, who it's for, and my experience. Boost Your Score empowers you with tools and services to repair and improve your credit. It starts with a deep dive into your credit reports, finding inaccuracies, outdated info, and disputable items. Their experts file disputes with credit bureaus, correcting errors like unauthorized charges, duplicate accounts, or wrong balances fast. Boost Your Score also offers proactive credit building. Beyond disputes, they give personalized recommendations for managing credit, like optimizing your debt-to-credit ratio, using credit cards responsibly, and diversifying credit types. They also offer resources to help you maintain long-term credit health. Their user-friendly dashboard keeps you updated on dispute progress, score changes, and provides ongoing improvement tips. This transparency keeps you engaged in the process. Boost Your Score is ideal if you're struggling with credit issues, recovering from setbacks, or preparing for big purchases like a home or car. It's also great if you're new to credit repair and want expert guidance without the hassle of managing disputes yourself. Boost Your Score takes the stress out of credit repair, equipping you with the knowledge and tools for a healthy credit score. Ready to take control of your financial future? Check out the links below to get started with Boost Your Score, your partner in building better credit.